Hello, class of EDU 370. This is Justine with my Quizlet on project-based learning. I found a deck of 12 cards. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the definitions in this screencast, my very first one. So don't laugh at me if I make a mistake. It will happen. So, driving question. A driving question initiates and focuses the inquiry and captures and communicates the purpose of the project in a question. Collaboration. Collaboration is the action of working with someone to produce or create something. Creativity is the process of having an original idea that has values. Communication. Communication is the act of transferring information from one place to another. What? Critical thinking. Critical thinking is the objective analysis and evaluation of an issue in order to form a judgment. Authenticity. Authenticity are students who are doing work that is real to them, or the work has a direct impact on or used in the real world. Student voice and student choice. Student voice and student choice creates a sense of ownership within the students. Students use their sense of judgment when solving a problem. Reflection. Reflection helps students solidify what they have learned and think about how it might help and apply elsewhere, set goals for further growth, and decide how they might approach their next project. We use a lot of reflection as educators after lesson plans. Public audience. Public audience motivates students to produce high-quality work and helps create a learning community. It helps them get out of their comfort zone and limit that anxiety. Inquiry. Inquiry is an active, in-depth process where students seek to investigate new information. The 21st century skills. 21st century skills are skills and knowledge students need to succeed in work, life, and citizenship. Man, wish I knew those. Just kidding. Challenging problem. The challenging problem is the heart of the project. It is a challenge to investigate and solve, or a question to explore and answer. Thank you for listening to my first screencast on PBL Learning. Peace.